Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing a model coach. So yeah, let's get into it. Nice little easy packet to open. So yeah, here it is in the box. It is a code free, and for Christ's sake, it's attached. Oh well. I have to unscrew it. Yeah, it is a code free. As you can see, it's hanging off a bit, but who gives a shit? Yeah, I don't really give a crap. It's a code free Caetano Levante, as you can see. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof and the base, and the reg is YW19VUV, which is actually a registration plate of a Alexander Dennis Enviro 400 MMC double-decker bus by Stagecoach. So yeah, you might have looked at that bus and thought, oh, why not, let's use that reg on this one, or you could have just made it up and didn't realise, but who gives a damn? And yeah, my second Caetano in my collection, because I do have a National Express one, which is my first one, and I haven't showed you that yet, but Games will probably do a series where space my bus coach and minibus collection again. But instead of photos, I'm going to do it like a video like this, but like, for example, like Model Busters 98, he does like close-ups of it and talks about it and stuff, but I'm not going to do a review on it, I'm just going to talk about it and stuff. So yeah, probably the first review will probably be this one, I don't know. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see for that. I wish he wouldn't have screwed it on the base, god damn it. Oh well, who cares. Whee, it's an open top Caetano. So yeah, it has come 2 days early, and yeah, that is pretty cool. If you're wondering what the route is, it says it's Route 0 on the back and the school service. So apparently it's on Route 0 and it's a school service. So yeah, I wonder what this coach used to be. If you guys could tell me by the interior, please let me know. And yeah, neat little thing to add to my collection. And code 3 apparently is of a dealer coach, like when you get them from the dealers and they're plain white. Yeah. So yeah, pretty neat model, and let's get the thumbnail now. Stay. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Also guys, I've managed to unscrew it from its base, so yeah, here's what it looks like. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out, and this will probably be the new thumbnail. So yeah, peace out guys.